Running payroll and setting staff schedules are vital components of any successful business. Now, thanks to ZoomShift, you can streamline the process and save time. Creating advanced workflows, customizing schedules, and sharing the workload is all possible with ZoomShift. With ZoomShift, you can develop advanced workflows to save time just by setting up a few preferences. You can set different scheduling templates for rotations like morning, midday, afternoon, and evening shifts, plus even set up scenarios for covering shifts. You won't need to enter in start and end times for each rotation any longer. Creating paper schedules and using spreadsheets is time-consuming. ZoomShift's automation cuts down the work. Create a full week schedule for all employees, then save it as a template to schedule an entire month with the Apply Week template function. Shift changes won't be a hassle when you give appropriate team members leadership permissions to help with time off and shift change requests. ZoomShift is cloud-based, so your team can use their mobile device or computer to view schedules, set availability preferences, request time off, and pick up shifts. They can even swap shifts on their own if you set the permission. ZoomShift frees you from the drudgery of running payroll and setting schedules. No more clunky spreadsheets and shift change requests. There's no limit to scheduling templates' time-saving potential and no limit on the number of templates you can set up. You'll gain the power of automation and retain the flexibility to customize on the fly.